Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this trick here, I want to show you the interesting properties of what is known as a spherical triangle, okay? This is common in geometry. A spherical triangle is a figure that you would find on a sphere or a globe, and it is triangular in nature, but it has curved lines. There's also three intersection points. They will intersect at point A, B, and C. So for this particular trick, we're going to have spectator 1 be intersection point A, spectator 2 would be intersection point B, and then I will be intersection point C. Okay, so to get that first intersection point, kind of like longitude, latitude on a globe, we're going to choose a number. We will do that with a roll of the dice. So here, spectator 1 has rolled a 9. So their card is going to be the 9th card down. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this is number 9. So their selection in this case is going to be the 8 of clubs, okay? Now, spectator number 2 is going to do the same thing. They're going to select an intersection point for B, and here we have a 3, a 2, and a 1, which adds up to 6. So they will take the 6 card, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is number 6. Okay, and so 6 happens to be the king of diamonds, all right? Now, I also need an intersection point, so intersection point for C is going to come from the middle of the packet. It has to be at a midway point, and I'm going to pick out one card. I'm going to go with this card right here. I think that's a good one. That's going to be intersection point C. Okay, now, before we go any further, I do want to make sure that we give the cards a little bit of a shuffle. Okay, so I want you to see the deck is really being mixed. Okay, in fact, we'll do that for you one more time. Just a little shuffle, like so. See that the cards are really mixed, okay? Now, what we're going to attempt to do is we're going to try to find the mates to your cards. So the 8 of clubs has a mate. It is the other black 8. It's the 8 of spades. Now, to find that card, we have to use the intersection point number that you chose that's related to the 8 of clubs. So your number was a 9. Now, to find the 8 of spades, we need to use the inverse of that number. So the inverse of that number is the bottom of the dice. So if we flip the dice over, we're going to use the numbers on bottom. We now have a new number. 6 and 5 is 11, and 1 is 12. So we're going to deal down 12 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And we're going to put your card into the pack. Okay? Same thing for you. To find the king of hearts, we're going to flip the dice over. We're going to use the inverse number of the king of diamonds, which again is the number on the bottom. 6 and 4 is 10, plus 5 is 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. The king of diamonds goes in the pack. Okay, so if we take a look, the 8 of clubs landed adjacent to that card at its inverse number, and the same is true for the king of diamonds as it landed adjacent to that card at its number. Okay, so if this worked, the 8 of clubs should have found the 8 of spades, and the king of diamonds, using the inverse of its number, is found the king of hearts. It's pretty cool. Now, we still have to find the mate to intersection point C. So my card was the 4 of diamonds. The mate to the 4 of diamonds is the 4 of hearts. Now, we can find the intersection point C if we take the inverse of A, we add it to the inverse of B. That's going to give us the inverse of C. But what we cannot forget to do is we cannot forget to invert the deck the same way we inverted the dice. Okay? So if we take 6 and 5 is 11, we have a 12 here, and over here we had a 15. So 15 plus 12 is 27. So if we count down 27 cards, we should find the mate to the 4 of hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. There we have it. It is the 4 of hearts, the mate to the 4 of diamonds, and that completes our spherical triangle. Till next time, guys, take care.